Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader at X2. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDJPY, US dollar Japanese yen for Friday, 24th September. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex Analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of USD JPY in front of us right now, and honestly I have not been trading for the last 2-3 days because of some personal problems, and I was not aware of this movement at all. So when I opened the chart of USD JPY and saw something like this, I was really shocked because honestly speaking I was not hoping that USD JPY will be so bullish. Anyways, what can we do? If you have made the money, congratulations. I have missed the opportunity. Okay, so let's try to find out what is the next opportunity, or if you have also missed the opportunity, what can we do right now? So in the chart of USD JPY, as always, the most crucial level is 109.75, and it still remains the most crucial level. I do not want to talk in detail because I have been talking about this level for the last couple of months, almost in each and every video. So I do not want to bore you again. So if you want to know about this level, then please watch any of my videos on the USDJPY. You'll get the answer. And today I'll just try to keep the video short. I'll be coming down tomorrow again with the complete and detailed analysis for the coming week. And so right now you can see that market is standing at a resistance here because this level 110.45 was the resistance. You can see that previously whenever market was near this level or at the level, market faced resistance, or in simple words, whenever market reached the resistance level, market faced selling pressure from above. And right now you can see that though market is standing at the resistance right now, market is still very much strong and market is still extremely bullish. Therefore, in a scenario like this, in a situation like this, you should not short the market, because see, we should not forget one thing, that support and resistance level are not permanent, they are temporary, my dear friends. So this is a resistance level. So this was the resistance level for the market where sellers were present. Resistance is a place where sellers are mostly present. The concentration of sellers are more, so we call it a resistance. But right now buyers are so much dominating the market. They are so much in power that market has broke the resistance and market is still very much standing tall. So in a market scenario like this, you should not think about shorting the market, because if you short the market thinking that market is in resistance, then my dear friend, there is a good chance of losing money because market will break the resistance and go up. So in a scenario like this, the only opportunity for us, or only safe opportunity for us, is to wait for the market to cross this level. So for Friday 24th September, the only strategy for USD JPY is wait for the market to cross 110.45 level and wait for a couple of hours. Because see, we also need to have the confirmation whether the resistance, the previous resistance, has become the support or not. Until and unless we get the confirmation the resistance has become support, it is not a good trade. My dear friends, do not compromise with the trading discipline. So only buy once you get the confirmation that the resistance has become the support, and you'll only get the confirmation once you see that after 4 to 6 hours market is trading comfortably, above the resistance. Then you'll get the confirmation that at last the resistance of 110.45 has become the new support, and then you can go for buy order. And whatever, always use proper risk management. Do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, and use stop loss. So if you buy here, okay, your stop loss will be below this level, okay. Or you can, if you want a tighter stop loss, you can keep your stop loss here also. That's totally up to you. But what I'm saying is that do not buy until and unless market uh, converts the resistance into the new support. Clear? And if you buy here, then your target will be this level 110.80. This will be your target, this resistance. So hopefully you've understood what should be strategy. See you tomorrow with a detailed analysis for the coming week. Bye bye, take care.